So we made it with a minimal sleep. So you guys, keep warm, okay? Because you didn't sleep much. It's very easy to fall sick. Did you sleep in the aeroplane? Of course not. Is it cold? Yeah? Lot of smoke there.
Not cold.
You see my smoke? You see the smoke? Right now we are waiting for our shuttle bus to our hotel. It's just under this flyover. Go on. Mày đón không à? Are you not tired? You only slept for 4 hours the whole day.
What? I'm running.
I can see that. This is our hotel. Our first hotel when we arrived Korea.
Yeah, I went to Korea yesterday.
Last night, yes, but it was very late, and we have to go to the snow resort, and there was no bus to the snow resort at night, so we have to stay in this hotel for one night. Well, technically just half a day. Do you like this hotel? This room is small. The ceiling is so low. Alright. But at least Maurice is having a good time. What? Oh, you know what? Why don't you try your hot and cold car and see if you change color? You did not bring it? Oh, what is that? Welcome back, guys. Wow, you went shopping, mommy? This is the first meal in Korea. Okay, let's try this. Okay, don't drop your car, okay? You just put it here. Let's see if it changes color. What's the color now? Okay, it's a blue color. Wow, it's changing already. Is it changing? It's not yet, not yet. It's not changing yet. Oh! Does it change?
Let's give it a try.
That means it's very cold.
Yeah, it's quite cold outside.
Oh, look at that! Totally a different color. Wow.
Even bubble.
That's it.
What that one?
Yeah, these two are non-spicy, and then Kayleigh get some. This one for Maurice from Kayleigh.
Wow.
It's got some rice here.
Oh, nice. Thanks, Mom.
And later we will do the water.
Who needs a buffet breakfast, right?
Nice.
Thing. Smells nice? Is it good? So we stay Incheon Airport Hotel. This is our. Oh, is that? This is our transport to the snow mountain. Go. Yep. Hi. Morning. You sit down here, okay, Coco? We're just gonna move the bags here. Do not go anywhere. Kayleigh, your turn. Okay, this is our transport to the snow resort.
Go find your spot.
Oh. Full house. Okay. Thank you. Going to the snow mountain. It's gonna be a 3-hour car ride. 3 hours.
3 hours. That means they
3 is at 180 minutes. 180 minutes. Tired?
I only get the food.
Very tired?
Food.
Go to sleep.
Food.
We only slept how many hours? I think less than 10 hours.
I it was for 2 million hours.
2 million thousand hours.
Yeah.
What?
Wow! That's a cigar.
Finally, we can see some real snow. Hopefully, you can see more snow at the mountains.
Yay! Wow! More. And more.
Snow on the right side, but no snow on the left side.
Why?
I don't know.
That?
This is our toilet break station. You can see snow here and some food. Pretty nice place. Now you see first. So how's it so far, Gogo? Is it nice? You ready for the snow? Still have 1 more hour to go. Now it's 2 p.m.
Can I touch the snow?
Oh, these are dirty snow. I don't think you should touch it. Maybe you can touch the one on top. Huh? You can touch the one on top, yeah? Ooh, cool. Maybe put your car in your car. What's your color changing car?
I didn't even take it out yet.
I mean, I think this part here is clean. As long as it's white, then it's our hotel. So, you see the mountain over? Full of snow. Pretty. 刚近哦，这像我们上网看，哎呦，我们整个人，哦有 CU 啊这边 ，Yeah, there's a CU. Can eat more cup noodles. Jacob, what are you doing? Not much snow. Is it slippery? Oh yeah, it's quite slippery. Okay, we're here. So go to here. Doing the maintenance. 0 degrees now. And Maurice is what are you doing, Maurice? Can you explain?
I'm doing a maintenance here.
Doing maintenance here. You're burying the cars.
Covering the top.
So we're at the snow mountain here. The snow condition right here is it's really hot. The snow is so hot. You can't even do the snowman with this kind of snow. Oh, this is nice. This one's nice. It's just very hot, the snow. So you can't really do much. The snow is so hot.
Oh yeah.
And also it's not very cold. It's not sub-0 degrees.
Yes.
So there's not much snow. Catch it, catch the snow. Snow, snow, snow.
Can we do it? This is for the bullet. This is.
Like the angel. Maybe tomorrow morning. No,
Can we do that?
not now. Tomorrow. The wait for the snow to fall first. First time seeing snow. Is there any snow in Malaysia? No. Do you guys like snow? Who likes snow? Raise your hand. I like snow. 3, 2, 1. You have 20 seconds. It's cold. It's cold. Hopefully the snowfall will last until tomorrow morning, so you have to take a snow.